Today I'm going to show you how to make my go-to hand sanitizer spray. I have these cute little bottles and they're convenient. You can throw them in your purse, in a kid's lunchbox so they can wash their hands before they eat. So we're going to start with 3/4 cup 95% ethanol. It's 190 proof. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, you can take any water from your faucet, boil it for 5 minutes, and then use it. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, and then I like to add 30 drops of vanilla essential oil. You can use any scent you like. Okay, that's about 30 drops. Mix this together. Okay, there you go, and then you just pour it in these containers. These bottles have a fine mist spray, which is really nice. I'll put the links down below in the description of where you can find similar bottles. And there you have it. Easy hand sanitizer that you can throw in your purse or lunchbox, keep in your car, glove compartment. Okay, like and subscribe, and I look forward to sharing another recipe with you.